Morning, welcome back to the channel. Happy New Year everyone. Now I'm recording this video after the fact. I'm currently riding in circles on a frozen park with the little shredder. We're practicing bunny hops. So I'm currently sat on the video. It's the video of the dropper post. Go on, that's a big jump. Well done. Yeah, so I installed the dropper post a few days ago. Filmed it off the cuff. I wasn't really concentrating on what I was doing. But oh my god, what a nightmare it was. If you look at the videos and stuff online, which I did because I wanted to make a good job of it, I wanted to get it done myself, there's loads of little bits missed out that would save you so much time. One bit is this rubber thing under that protects the lever from water getting in. That has to go on the cable first. Not one of the videos that I watched mentioned that. I was hungover and I was slapping and forgot to put it on, so I had to bleed the whole system again and do it twice with a bleed kit that wasn't perfect for it, and with a bit of hydraulic fluid up the wall. Mrs. wasn't happy, still not off the wall, not got round to it yet. So yeah, it's all fun. Overall it took me about 2.5 hours. So if you value 2.5 hours over 50 quid, is it worth sending it to the bike shop? Although if I did it again, I'd probably take me about an hour and I would be a lot more comfortable and not make the mistakes that I made. Mainly being it's just the order you do things, and cable tying the dropper post to your back wheel while you're doing stuff. I didn't do that at first. It's like, oh my god, fell off, my head was gone. But yeah, please hit like and subscribe. Have a fantastic year and enjoy the random video. See you in a bit. Just gonna wing it and hope for the best. I'm just gonna get it attached roughly, then bleed it and go from there. Oh bollocks, the thing's falling down there now. That fucking knobby thing. What a bastard. This is the cube. Oh, you fucking rats! I mean, somehow, if that's now connected and it still goes up without it bleeding, I don't think I'll bother. Something tells me it's not going to work. It'll still work a little bit. I've literally no idea if I'm doing things in the right order. Well, sort of going with it logically. Just sort of giving it a loose tighten, just because it'll need moving when that goes down. Far too much cable on there.
This little bit's an Amazon spash. See where the where it's actually gonna go. Oh no, the grips have to come off the end to get it on. Ball ache. Well, successfully found a decent position for it anyway. I just need to get rid of all this whoop-de-doop. Figured out where to cut the tube, because I was thinking, oh, if I cut it and then I can't pull that through, it's dead awkward. So I thought all I need is to be able to get this to the end of the bar, minus that. So I'll work that out by pulling it all through, putting the seat post in, and then this, where the sellotape is, ended up like about here, which therefore it's going to look like these once it's done. And when I need to bleed it, take it off the end of the bar, bring the lever to here, and then the seat post can come out as so when you're bleeding. Oh my god, bloody nightmare. Entirely sure why, but cutting this bit makes me the most nervous. Done. Ooh, cut it beautifully. Oh no, savaged, purely savaged. Got it, finally. Finally got enough grip on it. They don't tell you this online. Not one video said, yeah, you're not going to be able to unscrew that without a pair of pliers. And you can't grip it with your hand either. Get that off. Go and come on, get off. Go and shut this away. Fucking shit tools, man. Yeah. Wow. Oh my god, that was a cute look. I've literally got hydraulic fluid up the wall. Oh my god. Press the button. Ooh. I have to turn it to fast. It's set to slow. Let's see what happens if I set it to fast. There we go. Get in there now. I had to bleed it twice because I forgot to put this rubber thing back on that covers the bleed port. So I had to take it off and bleed it again. That made me physically ill, but we're nearly there. Yeah. RockShox Reverb. Well, that was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. Easy in some ways, but things I wasn't expecting popping up at me, like forgetting to put this rubber thing on, so I had to bleed it again. The bleed kit wasn't a perfect match, so I sort of had to hold the tube in place and just get the air out and hold the microfiber cloth around it. But it's there. We got there in the end, and it worked perfectly now. Push the button in, push it down. Ooh. Lovely. Dreamy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon. And that is hydraulic fluid up the wall. Don't ask. Carnage.